Okay, so what I'm doing here is I melted the chocolate in the microwave in the mini cake mold. And then I'm just spooning it in to the egg tray, a pretty generous amount, you'll see, because you want it to completely coat the shell or the shape of the tray. So then you use the pastry brush to just kind of brush it up the sides of the egg tray. So you do that for every shape, and then we're going to stick it in the fridge or the freezer to harden before we fill it. Okay, so now these have come out of the freezer, and you can see they just peel right back, and now you've got this chocolate shell. Okay, so now what we're going to do is fill each of them with the filling, which this is sunflower butter because we don't do peanut butter at our house, but the recipe calls for peanut butter, so you pick. But so you can go and you can fill all of these up as far as you can fill them, and then we're going to top with chocolate. And so you can see I'm just going to take some of the chocolate here, spoon it on top again. Probably needs to get a little bit thinner. Then once you've done that, you can just tap the tray to level the chocolate out, and then you throw that back in the freezer, and we'll do the rest. Okay, so here you can see this was just a matter of minutes, and now we've got this complete chocolate covered peanut butter egg. Looks beautiful. Sun butter egg.